Have you ever cracked your head real hard just to figure out when your savings or investment is going to make the break-even point, double up or triple up in the future? Now in this video, I'm going to show you the rule of 72, a very simple formula that can help you figure out when your savings is going to double up in the future. Welcome guys to my channel. My name is Chanel Chong. I share videos on insurance updates and financial knowledge every single week. So if you're interested in these kind of topics, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so they get notified on all my future videos. Just imagine if you're having fun talking to your friend over a Sunday coffee one day and both of you happen to talk about certain savings or investment tools that's available in the market, giving you a fixed rate of return every year. Both of you want to know how long it takes for your savings or investment portfolio to double or triple up, but obviously both of you are not with your Excel to work out the spreadsheets calculation. Now in this scenario, you can just apply this very simple rule of 72 to find out the burning answer you want straight away. Rule of 72 is a very simple equation that can help you to figure out when exactly your savings or investments portfolio will double in the future. It can also help you to gauge your investments portfolio with the very realistic time frame that you're given. Now, a lot of financial planners are also using this tool to help them figure out when their clients are going to double up their investments portfolio in the future. So let's play a game here. Now, given that you're seeing these three rates on your screens now, the 8%, 4% and 2%. Now, can you take a wild guess like when this portfolio is going to double in the future? Without even doing any calculation, obviously the one with the 8% investments is going to win the game here. But how many years in exact that you're going to double up this portfolio then? Now I'm going to give you 3 seconds to guess your answer. 3, 2 and 1. There you go, your answer is there. So it will take you 9 years for a portfolio of 8%, 18 years for a portfolio of 4%, and also 36 years for a portfolio of 2% rate of return for you to double up your portfolio. Now, can you see that with just a slight difference of 2%, you can actually save up 18 years to double up your portfolio. So that is how amazing compounding interest is in your whatever savings or investment portfolio. So always tell yourself that you should always save and invest as early as you can. So don't always wait until later, because if you were to put anything later on, you are going to lose out a lot on the compounding interest. You may be wondering, how do I even derive at this number? So it's very easy. By applying the rule of 72, you just need to put 72 as a fixed number, or we call it a numerator, divide it over the rate of return. In this case, you use 8% of rate of return and you'll be able to get 9 years as the exact years that you're going to double up your investment portfolio. On the side note, if it takes 36 years for your savings to grow double at the given rate of 2%, can you imagine if you're not doing anything with your money by investing it into the right financial tool? You are losing out a lot on the compounding interest in the long run. Your money could be just earning at the saving interest of less than 1%. So it is very, very important for you to get reminded that you should always plan out your savings or investment portfolio upfront to get yourself benefited from the compounding interest in the long run. How should I apply the rule of 72 into my personal financial planning? Just imagine that today you're planning out for your retirement funds. So you managed to narrow down into a financial tool that's giving you 6% rate of return, and you have currently saved up 300,000 for your retirement purposes. So let's use a 72 to divide by 6 rate of return. You'll be able to get 12 years, which means that your 300,000 will be able to double up by the 12th year and become 600,000. So in this equation, it means that you still have another 400,000 to go. It's either that you increase your savings currently or you increase the rate of return for your investment portfolio. This equation is also very, very flexible, whereby not only that you can calculate just the number of years for you to double up your portfolio, you can also determine the rate of return that you need to invest in to get you the double of amount. So instead of using the rate of return for the calculation, This time you can determine the time frame upfront for you to calculate backwards the rate of return that you need in the long run. So just imagine if you have delivered to a baby today and you wish that you have enough savings for her college fees in 18 years time. Currently, you have 40,000 inside your account getting ready for her educational fees. So what is the rate of return that you need to get in order for your 40,000 to double into 80,000 in 18 years time? So using this formula, you just need to switch the place of the rate of returns and also the period. 72 to divide by the period, you'll be able to get the 4% rate of return. Now, what if I tell you that the rate of return is different now? You're very active in hunting out the financial tool out there and you manage to narrow down into a very fantastic financial tool that's giving you 8% return every year. So if I use this equation to calculate, instead of 18 years, you'll be able to double up your portfolio in just 9 years. So can you imagine getting 80,000 in 9 years? And the 80,000 will be able to grow into 160,000 if you are still with the same financial tool. Always tell yourself to start saving as soon as possible to get the most out of it from the power of compounding. Not sure how to calculate? Just apply the rule of 72. Guys, if you like my video today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!